Bitcoin made a new all-time high just above $58,500 this weekend, but we've just seen a major retrace down to just over $46,000, a 20% drop in just a matter of hours. How far down can it go, and is the correction over? Let's take a look at the charts. What's up, everybody? I'm Scott Melker, also known as the Wolf of All Streets. Today, we're taking a look at Bitcoin on this major correction. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up, like button right down below. Now, let's dig into the charts. Taking a look at the weekly chart, you can see that everything looks bullish on larger time frames. We've had three mega bullish weekly candles here, all closing near their session highs. That is considered bullish. We have a candle here that's showing a drop, but we're only one day, not even into the weekly, so you can't really take a look at that candle. You can see here we had four bullish candles on the way up, some consolidation, and then another move. So I think the worst that we could expect here is a bit of consolidation before another move up. Nothing is scaring me here on the weekly chart at all. Let's zoom into the daily. As you know, if you've been following me, we had this major bull flag breakout here, retest as support and move up. The target was $63,300 or so. We have not reached that target yet, but I do believe that we will. Even though some patterns don't reach their targets, I think that we're inevitably going much higher than $63,000. Earlier, I drew some clear support levels on the daily chart. If we continue to see a drop, which we did, those are at 48,690 and 52,640. The daily is now trading back above both of those support lines. Unbelievable, but we need to see what happens at the daily close, which is not for many more hours, about 10 more hours. Let's zoom into the 4 hour and see what's happening there. This is a really interesting time frame here. On the 4 hour chart, I've drawn supply and demand zones. A supply zone is where there's leftover people looking to sell before a major move down. Demand is where there's leftover buy orders likely before a move up, right? People were looking to buy here. Price exited quickly. They missed their orders. They've now filled. When price came back down, that offers support. Same thing at the top. Supply offers resistance. What's notable, obviously, is the incredible wick on this 4 hour. You could not have a more bullish candle than this if it closes anything like this, especially if we move up to around 54,500 or so and close this candle green. That would be truly unbelievable. Zooming into the 1 hour, all of this price action from 46,748 all the way up to 54,000 happened in one hourly candle. Unbelievable. Almost $7,000 of price action in one candle. Remember, the price of Bitcoin was under $7,000 just last year. We now have $7,000 hourly candles. This has to be, I have not looked back, but this has to be by far the largest single hourly candle in the history of Bitcoin. And look at it, huge wick. Now we have this potentially engulfing the previous candle and a huge green body with only a minute and a half left as I'm recording this. I think that this is the bounce. It would be very surprising if we continued to lower levels, although anything is possible. Let's take a look at RSI. Now, if you follow me, you know that I love looking at RSI and looking for divergences. We had hourly RSI drop all the way to 21. That is pretty low and usually about as low as we go on a drop like that. So we usually get an impulsive bounce as we have here at the very least. Now, I love divergences, so I'll be looking for something like this. Remember, this is a line chart, so it doesn't even show that price action below 51,660. It's based on closes. So if we get a lower low here, and then a slightly higher low on RSI and head up, we would have a massive bullish divergence. So I would actually love, as strange as it is, to see a drop and a close on the hourly just below that. Huge divergence, but we certainly don't need it. It's just something that I will personally be watching for. This bounce could already be happening. This move could be over. That was really just a hell of a bounce on this correction right before we recorded this video. So once again, that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. I do think that we are likely heading out of this correction. 20% is a heck of a retrace. That's a big move. Once again, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, check out everything in the description. You can sign up for my newsletter there, and you can also get up to a $720 deposit bonus on Femex. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.